Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday the 13th and Friday the 14th of May 2021. As usual, we don't typically do market previews for Friday, so we won't be doing one tomorrow night. Next week is options expiration, but we're not here yet. It's just a monthly expiration. There's no quarterly contract roll. There's nothing. We're not in a major earnings season, so it's just pure trading environment, which has been very good for us. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. As you can see, never got to a 13, but we've been selling off the last couple of days. It's been very good for us. I mean, we'll take action either way in the market, but obviously, these are three of the biggest days we've seen since last November. So this is good. It's good for us. We've made a lot of money, and we'll keep doing it. Crude oil down 37 cents to 65.71, very near the highs. Looks like a breakout, and obviously there's gold. There's oil issues generally speaking. It is what it is. Gold 1760, so down a little bit. S&P cash loses $89.06, so this is a big kind of gap down. Nasdaq 100 down 349 points, big day down generally speaking. SOX down 124. Biotech's down 42, which is not really new lows for the last couple days, but everything else is obviously. Russell 2000 down 71.84, puts the 10-day, puts us right near the lows of the last 6 months. VIX up $5.75, so big bump in the VIX. And if you look at the VXX, which is the tradable VIX, a little bit of a pop there too. The trend closes at 0.96, puts the 10-day at 0.9, closes at 0.97, puts the 10-day at 0.95. Not a sell signal, but we already got a sell signal. Nasdaq volume, 4.7 billion shares. Advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq, negative 2193. Sorry, wrong number. It's saying it on one chart. Negative 1907. On the New York, negative 2364. So look at that. One of the worst advanced decline ratios we've seen in a year. Really ugly. Google down 69.81. Apple down $3.14. Netflix down $10.10. Amazon down 71.97. Tesla down 27.31. I got a 13 buy signal off of Tesla, interestingly enough, and we're right on the risk line of that, but we'll see what it is. Facebook down $3.98. Zoom down $10.55. Interesting. Goldman Sachs down $5.52. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down $1.44. Dow Jones Industrial Average was only down 681 points. Kind of a big deal, right? So that doesn't look pretty either. By the way, we didn't quite get to the 13 on that one. Bitcoin closes at 50,000, down 5,000 points, down 10% on Bitcoin today alone. Here's the Nasdaq, the ES front month futures contract, 5-minute chart. And you can see this thing shedded quite a bit over the last 2 days, but there was a gap down on Tuesday, and then pretty much a flat day. Actually, that was really uneventful. Monday was okay. We have pulled off a couple trades every day, and then on Wednesday a gap down, and we headed lower, right? So it's not pretty. Nasdaq side's really not pretty. Look at that. If you look at the high back on, we just committed Wednesday. So the high on Monday is 13,550, and so it's dropped like 600 points. It's what it is. All right, in terms of intraday action, we already looked at that, but in terms of economic data left in the week, we've got the unemployment, the weekly initial and continuing jobless claims numbers, and the PPI at 8:30 a.m. Thursday, natty gas at 10:30, 30-year bond auction at 1, and on Friday, retail sales an hour before the bell, import-export prices an hour before the bell, capacity utilization, industrial production at 9:15, preliminary University of Michigan sentiment, and business inventories at 10. So nothing super major, but there is some data there. But obviously there's just, with all the inflationary numbers coming out, with what's going on in the Middle East, with the problem on the East Coast with gas, which is temporary, obviously, those types of things, it's having a disruptive effect on the market, which is good for us. Good for us. And we like it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading